Lids to this Batmobile Part 421. Let's add some heat shrink to these terminals to protect them.
I should have cut them down though. They made the wires very stiff, which made it hard to bend them how I needed. I have no idea how I'm supposed to solder wires to this LED post. Oh well, let's just figure it out with each step.
Don't forget your PPE, guys. Almost done. Got the switch wired up, oh yeah, baby. Check out this beautiful rat's nest. Sanded out some holes so the wires can pass through without being pinched. Before I close this all back up, how about a test run first? Make sure my switch is in the off position. Okay, let's go. My Frankenstein lives. Wow, they're nice and bright. Oh yeah, baby, right into my retinas. Stay tuned for the next part.